What's happening? This is Johnny Snow back in the building, and today what we're going to do is a little work to my PX4 Storm. Magazine empty, nothing in the chamber. Let's go ahead and drop that hammer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and install some handle-it grips on this PX4 Storm. This is a gun that actually is pretty awesome. I haven't really done too much with this on the channel because it sat in the safe, but I decided to go ahead and break it out. Here's the M9A4 Beretta that I've been doing a little work on, and I figure, hey, need to show some love to the little guy. So let's go ahead and do some work to the little guy. All right, so what we are doing is putting handle-it grips onto the PX4 Storm. This is what they look like, and to be honest with you, with the handle-it grips, they're so easy. The only thing that you need to bring to the table is a hair dryer. A hair dryer is all you need to bring to the table because everything else is included in the pack. All right, and here's one of the most important parts about doing the handle-it grips: the alcohol wipes that they include in the package. They are used to get all of the oils from your hand and from cleaning and everything else that has happened with your firearm. It gets it all off and makes the surface ready for the adhesive. And also go through, wipe the tips of your fingers as well. It does not tell you to do that. I do that myself because I feel like it gets the oil off of my hands. All right, so what you want to do is, before you take that off, get it on there, wrap it around, make sure you have the correct size. Whereas this is for the compact, I do have the compact, so boom, correct size. So we know that we are working with the right size. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and do this with the magazine out. So let's go ahead and peel this off. All right, it is peeled off. And now let's get it on here the way we need to. So what I am doing is using that circle. It's kind of like a landmark, so to speak. Hold on. Put that over there. We're lining up on this other side. All right, so now that we have it on there, you can see that little imperfections and little things that are not just where they need to be at. That's where the dryer comes in. All right. All right, you use the dryer to get it hot. You see that it becomes a little bit more workable once it gets hot. All right, yeah, wrap that around. Bring that up this side. All right, set that to the side, and you'll come through, get everything, check your areas. Everything is looking good. All right, so that went on very well, very quickly. Hold on. Get this back strap taken care of. All right, so you line up your back strap how you want it, and it looks good. So let me go ahead and peel this off. Peel it off, get it on there. All right, so she's on there now. Time to put the heat to it. All right, so we got the heat to it. All right, there we go. So let me go ahead and put the magazine back in there. Now we have the handle it grips on the PX4 Storm Compact, and it is an improvement. This, if I don't know how many of you have, well, if you're looking at this, you probably have one. You know how slick the grips are on the PX4. You know that is one of the, well, it was one of the things that kind of irritated me with this weapon, the slickness of the grips, but this remedies that, and this makes it to where, okay, yeah, this gun is back awesome. This gun is back awesome. So, all right, well, there you have it, the handle it grips on the PX4 Storm Compact. All right, and go ahead and hit that like and subscribe, because I got a few more things that I'm going to do to this gun. So hit that like and subscribe so you can follow the journey. Make sure you hit the notifications, and Johnny Snow up out of here.